What if you could whisper a secret, and someone standing 100 feet away could hear every single word? Inside St. Paul's Cathedral in London lies one of the city's strangest secrets, the Whispering Gallery. Built in the late 17th century by Sir Christopher Wren, this circular gallery runs around the inside of the cathedral's massive dome. Here's the mystery. If you stand close to the curved wall and whisper, someone on the opposite side, over 30 meters away, can hear your voice as if you were right next to them. No shouting, just a whisper. For centuries, visitors were baffled. Was it magic, a divine trick? Priests once warned that no secret was safe in the house of God. Today, scientists explain it as the result of perfect acoustics. The dome's curved surface carries sound waves smoothly along the wall without letting them fade into open air. In effect, your words travel like a hidden signal. Even now, the gallery remains one of London's most mysterious architectural wonders. A place where history, design, and science blend into something that feels almost supernatural. So imagine standing in that gallery. Would you dare whisper your deepest secret, knowing it could travel across the dome? And here's the real question. If architecture can make whispers powerful, what else around us is shaping sound in ways we don't notice?